Hey everybody, so a different video to usual. So rather than cooking in this one, I'm going to tell you all about my weight loss journey and how I lost 10 kilos in only 2 months. So guys, I did a combination of a keto diet with a very special piece of exercise equipment. So firstly, the keto diet is very straightforward. Basically, you're reducing your overall carbs every day to below 50s. Now, by doing the keto diet, you put your body into ketosis where you start burning ketones for energy instead of carbs. So what that does is it makes your body burn its stored fat for energy. Now, being a chef working 15 to 18 hours a day, it's very hard for me to find the time to go to the gym. It's literally down the road, but I can't make the time to go. So I saw the Yesoul exercise bike, which is pretty much similar to the Peloton exercise bike, but not at a ridiculous cost like that. So I got the opportunity to get one of these at my house and I've set it up. I'll go through the video of setting it up, unboxing it and how the app works. And it's not just an exercise bike, it's more like a virtual trainer. So you can just jump on it and cycle away, that's fine. But there's workouts in there, there's classes, there's worldwide rankings that you can beat and compete with. So I find that's a very good way to sort of motivate you to try harder. So it works very easy for me because I go home from work, I jump on the bike for half an hour, whatever, go straight to sleep. When I wake up in the morning, I jump on the bike, that gets my heart rate going again, so I'm energized for the day. So I find it very useful. So guys, I'll go through the video now of unboxing the Yesoul exercise bike, setting it up, riding it, telling you all the different modes on, all the different exercises and classes you can do with it. And I was also given the opportunity to give you all a 10% discount on this bike. So stay tuned for the promo code. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope it motivates you to look after your health as well. So the box comes with all the parts and an instruction manual. There's also a YouTube video on how to put it all together, but it's very self-explanatory. You also get your tools and Allen keys and spanners in the box as well. So you don't need to run around looking for tools, everything's there that you need. So first thoughts are the bike itself is very good quality. So you've got your dumbbell holders right here, real solid material, it's a very comfortable seat. That's very important with bikes. If you're uncomfortable, you're not going to enjoy it. Most importantly, it's magnetic. So you're not going to hear a lot of noise when you're pedaling. A very nice big screen, so all you have to do is pair that with your smartphone and away you go. And of course you've got your wheel water bottle holder there. And you got two, so that's very handy. So here we have the calendar where you can keep track of everything. So since this is the first time I'm using it, there'll be nothing there. And here is one of my workouts I'm doing with a virtual trainer, telling you exactly what to do. And as you can see, there's dumbbells on the back as well that you can use at any time. Now, one thing that really stood out to me is I'm 120 kilos and I'm putting full force on this bike on high intensity and it's barely shaking. It's keeping its strength. And now I'm going for a bike ride through Switzerland, virtual of course. So I'm doing a warm-up workout at this point. So we'll turn the screen around just so we can do our aerobics and our stretches.
Good. We have 45 seconds here, always knowing that you can modify this.
So I guess it's time for the moment of truth. So I'll be completely honest, I hate the bikes at the gym. I never use them. And there's one specific reason. The bikes at the gym are mechanical and they make a lot of noise. If I'm going this fast, they make so much noise you can hear it even over headphones. The Yesoul bike is actually magnetic. You cannot hear a thing. I'm at about 10% intensity right now. So I'm gonna take it up to 90% now. I'm putting all my energy into it. You cannot hear a thing, except me running out of breath. So guys, the bike itself is 100% perfect quality. It's durable. There's no movement, the screen doesn't shake. There's no sound. You can do this later at night and you won't disturb anyone. The software itself is really good. It's actually almost like a virtual trainer. So from what I've counted, there's at least 50 different workouts. There's scheduled classes as well where you can compete with each other. So you've got rankings. I'm gonna reduce the intensity so I can catch my breath. So guys, in a way, it pushes you to do better. So it's very interactive. You're not just staring at a wall, you're staring at something interactive. If you don't want to use the trainer functions, you can use those settings where you're just visualizing where you are. For example, the one I did was in Switzerland. And of course, you've got these dumbbell holders here as well. So you can work on your arms while you're training your legs as well. So it's very handy. So this is something I'm very happy with, to the point I might consider cancelling my gym membership. So for those of you that are wondering how I lost so much weight, well, the trick wasn't just keto, it's exercise and keto. While I was on the keto diet, your energy goes through the roof. You have so much energy, you don't even sleep at night because you just want to keep on working out. All I will do is cardio. And this is just amazing. I've only been in here for about 15 minutes now. I'm out of breath. I'm sweating, I've got the aircon on, but I don't want to stop because the screen is pushing me to keep going. Alright guys, that's a 30-minute workout. I am done. At least for now. I'll probably jump back on here a bit later as well, just so I can up my ranking and do better. So guys, I'll leave the link in the description of where you can get one of these. I highly recommend it, honestly. I'm not getting paid to say that, I actually highly recommend this. I'll see you all next time.